there, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make something really old-fashioned. It's called a hamburger pie. Just simple weeknight meal. Probably feed 4 to 5 for $10. Not hard. Meets all my criteria. It's thrifty, it's easy, and it tastes good. So let's get started. Alright, really simple ingredients. You're going to need a pie crust, either store-bought or homemade. Some cheese, just regular cheddar cheese. A pound of hamburger, a couple of eggs, a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of milk, a little bit of cornstarch, some steak seasoning, some garlic, and about half of that much onion. And that's it, folks, for a pie. As you guys know, I love old cookbooks. And this one is the cream of the crop, the #1 prize. This is the one. It's called Sop Choppy Country Cooking. And it was written in 1968. And all of the ladies in here were anywhere from 40 to 80 when they put their recipes in this book. So they all lived through the Great Depression, through the wars, through everything. But the recipes in here they're just good, they're simple, they're inexpensive, they don't take a whole lot of time, and your family would truly enjoy them. The best thing you could do for yourself is find these old cookbooks that are from your area and in your county. They used to put these out all the time for fundraisers. You know a recipe's good when they sign their name to it. Okay, they signed their name and then printed it underneath, so you knew where this recipe came from. They wanted you to know that's their recipe. You know it's good when they sign it. This is the greatest look. It even, I don't know about ones in your area, and they have all these cute little illustrations, on every 2 or 3 pages. They have little poems on the bottoms of the chapter pages. Anyway, so this is one of the recipes that comes out of this whole book. And in here, it calls it a hamburger pie. Well, it's full of cheese, so I'm calling it cheeseburger pie, because it is. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get this pan hot. So we're going to turn it on, and we're just going to shoot for just a medium heat. And we're just going to get that centered on the eye and let it get hot. Alright, my pan is really good and hot because Randy was talking and I was listening, and now it's good and hot, so it's going to really singe when I put it off it. This is 1 pound of hamburger. Hear that sizzle? Alright, we're going to get that broke up. See, my pan was a little too hot, and I'm doing a little sticking down there. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little butter in there and get that to release. Okay, but just a little, it's going to put out some fat, but I really want to loosen that up. There we go. Release. No more stuck. I've got that broke up good. Now we just need to cut us some onion. Okay, I had a half an onion left from lunch, so I'm just going to use that because I don't need a ton. And this was a really big onion, so we're just going to cut this one. Now I'm cutting it pretty small. Here comes the onion. Okay, and we're just going to give that a little stir, and we're just going to let those onions get soft. They don't have to get done, they just need to get soft. Alright, and now I'm going to put 3 cloves of garlic. Now, even the recipe in the cookbook does not say to put garlic, but it's wintertime, and garlic is good for you, and Randy loves garlic, so we're putting it in there. Can't hurt. Alright. Yeah, you know you're getting old when you can't make a press work. I'm telling you. Alright. Squeeze! There we go. Get that off. Take it out of the inside. We don't waste nothing around here. Alright. Give that a good stir. Oh yeah. Smell that garlic. You cannot go wrong. Garlic is so good for you. It's antibacterial. Anti-everything. And it tastes good too. Alright, we're going to give this a final little stir. Move it around just a little bit. And then we're going to turn it off. Okay, now in this bowl, we're going to put our 2 eggs, which I'm going to break over here. Yay, no shells. Drop them in there. Give them a little beat, just to break them up. Now we're going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. One cup of milk. About a teaspoon. I'm just going to shake it out, but it's about a teaspoon of steak seasoning. Maybe. And 2 teaspoons. Which I guess I better do that. Here, this will work. About 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And we're going to give that a good mix and get it all combined. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you want it perfect, you can use a whisk. Right now I've got that mixed up as good as I feel like I want to. And I'm going to add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Okay. And I'm going to make sure it's a cup. And we're going to drop that. Now you'll need a total of 1.5 cups. But we're going to put a cup in the mix, and then we're going to put 1/2 cup on top. And now I'm going to take that hamburger mixture, and I'm going to drop that in there too. All of it. I'm not leaving nothing in the pan. I'm going to give that a good stir. And then we're going to get our pie crust ready. Alright, now I'm just using a regular store-bought pie crust and an 8x11 dish. And we're just going to roll that. Okay, and we're just going to roll that out. And obviously it's round. So what you're going to do is just kind of, whoop, let's get it. There. Doesn't have to be perfect. What I do is I just take a little bit off the top tack it into the corners. I mean, you absolutely can use a round pie shell, but you get more servings if you do it like this. Voila! One round rectangle pie shell. Now we're just going to dump our mixture right onto that pie shell. Just like that. Move it around a little bit. Alright, now you'll need to preheat your oven before you get finished. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then as soon as it comes up, go ahead and put it in 35-40 minutes. Alright, now while my oven's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and put that other half a cup of cheese all over the top, so it'll turn out really pretty. Have golden brown, red or orange. Beautiful. Okay. We're going to put some more cheese. Supposedly a half a cup, but you know, we love cheese, so it's probably more like another cup. But you do you. There we go. It's going to be golden brown and beautiful. All right, let's get that in a 350 degree oven. 45 minutes. All right, we are ready. But now if you're not sure at home, you can just stick a toothpick right down the middle, and then you'll know for sure it's done if it comes out clean. And you'll want to let it sit for just a few minutes and let it cool down and thicken up inside. All right, I've let it sit for a few minutes. And we are going to take it out.
And now the moment you've been waiting for, the official taste test.
Such a nut.
The moment of truth. Real good.
Meaty and cheesy. Got that pastry.
Oh yeah.
It does need a little salt. I think it needs a little salt.
Yeah. But it's good to go. Ah.
See y'all in the next video.